Hello, my friends, and welcome to the Reflux Revolution Podcast. I'm Molly, a registered dietitian specializing in reflux and the leading voice in GERD and LPR nutrition. And more importantly, I have been where you are. For years, I struggled with reflux symptoms that felt impossible to figure out. I wasn't dealing with just heartburn on occasion. I was dealing with that annoying lump in my throat, regurgitation, coughing, abdominal pain, severe heartburn on pretty much daily basis. And whenever I went to the internet looking for help, there was tons of conflicting, confusing information on how to manage symptoms, what to eat, what supplements to take. All of these symptoms led to severe anxiety around food, and my list of safe foods was getting smaller and smaller every day. I did all of the things, cut out foods, took medications, tried every home remedy I could find online, but nothing really worked long term. I felt so frustrated because all the advice seemed to contradict itself and make me feel worse. That's what led me down the path of learning everything I could about digestive health and understanding reflux at a root cause approach. Eventually, I figured out what worked for me, and I also made it my mission to help others find relief, address the root cause of reflux without the overwhelm and the food fear that I personally went through. And that's why I created the Reflux Revolution Podcast. Here's what you can expect. No more myths, no more confusion. We're cutting through the noise and giving you real, science-backed strategies to help you manage your symptoms and heal irritated tissue to find long-term relief from reflux. Simple and practical nutrition and lifestyle shifts that actually make a real difference. I want you to enjoy food again without constantly worrying about what's safe. Mindset, stress, and gut health support. Because reflux isn't just about what you eat. Your nervous system, your microbiome, and your daily habits all play a massive role in reflux prevention. Guest experts and success stories so you can hear from people who've been in your shoes and come out on the other side. The larger mission of this podcast is really to change the way reflux is managed, so there are less people feeling stuck and alone and more tools readily available to help you understand your symptoms and find long-lasting relief. Whether you're newly diagnosed with reflux, struggling with long-term symptoms of GERD or LPR, or just feeling stuck with your digestive health, this podcast is here to help you feel empowered, informed, and hopeful about your gut health and your long-term reflux management tools. If that sounds like something you need, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode. And just as a disclaimer before we begin, this information shared in the Reflux Revolution podcast is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any medical condition, and it should not replace personalized medical advice from your physician or individualized medical nutrition therapy from a registered dietitian. Always consult with your healthcare team before making any changes to your health routine. This podcast offers a holistic perspective to support your well-being, but your body is unique and your care should be too. I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. Let's dive in.